Here we have 3 runners running a race, and we have 5 statements, one of which is false. Remember that. We want to figure out which one of these statements is false about these runners. Let's start with the first one. B's speed is constant. Well, what we notice about the speed is basically the slope of the tangent line of the curve. So if we look, B slope here is the same as the slope here, is the same as the slope here, is the same as the slope here. So this seems true, and therefore not our answer. Remember, we're looking for the false statement. I want to contrast this with answer choices 2 and 5. This says that C speeds up. Well, we notice that the slope here is a bit shallow, then it starts to increase a bit. We notice that the tangent line is steeper and steeper and steeper as we move to the right. So 2 is true, and let's go ahead and examine 5. It says that A slows down during the race. So initially, it's the runner A's velocity is very steep. We have a steep slope, but then it starts to level off and become relatively flat. So 5 is true. Now we're down to answer choices 3 and 4. At t equals 7, B is slower than A. What we're going to do is look at t equals 7 and look at the slope of both B and A. I think we can agree that the slope here for B is steeper than the slope here for runner A. So with that in mind, B is faster than A. Well, that makes this answer false. We're looking for B is, in this point, B is faster than A. And let's just, for completeness, check t equals 1. At t equals 1, we're told that A is faster than B. Let's go over to t equals 1. Here we see the slope of A's curve is steeper than the slope of B, so it is indeed true that A is faster than B. So to recap one last time, here we have the slope at 7 for B. His slope is a little bit steeper than the slope for A at t equals 7, and that means B is running faster than A, not slower, which means 3 is false, and therefore the correct answer.